Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to download code from GitHub using Git cloning. This is one of the most fundamental skills you'll need if you're working with code repositories, whether you're collaborating on a project or simply want to explore someone else's code on your local machine. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to github.com. Once you're there, log in with your credentials. After logging in, you'll be taken to your GitHub homepage where you can access all your repositories and projects. Now, navigate to the left panel on your screen. Here, you'll see a list of your repositories. Click on the repository you want to clone. This is the project whose code you want to download to your computer. Selecting the right repository is important because this determines which code base you'll be working with locally. Once you're on the repository page, look for the green button labeled Code near the top right of the file list. Click on this button to reveal the cloning options. A drop-down menu will appear with several tabs at the top. From these tabs, select HTTPS. This is the most straightforward method for cloning repositories and works seamlessly for most users. You'll see a URL displayed below the tabs. Next, click the clipboard icon or the copy button next to the URL. This copies the repository's HTTPS link to your clipboard, which you'll need in just a moment to execute the clone command. Now it's time to switch over to your terminal or command prompt. On Windows, search for cmd in your Start menu. On macOS or Linux, search for Terminal. Open whichever application corresponds to your operating system. Once your terminal is open, you'll need to navigate to the folder where you want the code to be downloaded. Use the cd command followed by the folder path. For example, if you want to download to your desktop, type cd desktop and press enter. This ensures the repository will be cloned into the location you prefer. Now comes the actual cloning step. Type git clone followed by a space, then paste the URL you copied earlier and press enter. The command should look something like git clone https://github.com/username/repo-name.git. Make sure there's a space between git clone and the URL. After pressing enter, the cloning process will begin. You'll see progress messages appear in the terminal showing the download status. This might take a few moments depending on the size of the repository. Once it's finished, the terminal will return to the normal prompt, indicating the operation is complete. To access the downloaded code, type cd repo-name, replacing repo-name with the actual name of the folder that was created during the clone. This takes you inside the repository directory. Finally, to verify that everything downloaded correctly, type ls if you're on macOS or Linux, or ls if you're on Windows, and press enter. This command lists all the files and folders in the directory, letting you confirm that the code is now on your local machine. And that's it. You've successfully cloned a GitHub repository to your computer and can now explore, edit, or run the code locally. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.